Hi, I'm Captain Greg from Boat Test, and today we're going to review the latest in anti-roll gyroscopic technology. Many think gyros on boats are a relatively new invention, but the technology was conceived and first tested in the late 1800s and first made mainstream on transport ships during World War I. Gyro stabilizers have been in use in the recreational boat market since the 1990s. Continued advancements in the technologies and materials have opened up more and more of the recreational market to gyros over the years. Quick, an Italian manufacturer of nautical equipment since 1983, has established itself as one of the world's leading players in the marine engineering sector, serving the top production and custom boat builders with an extensive portfolio of quality products and technologically advanced integrated solutions. With its MC² line, the name playing on Einstein's famous E=mc² equation, Quick is a global leader in the recreational anti-roll stabilizer market. Quick's MC² gyroscopic stabilizers can reduce boat roll up to 95% and are effective both at anchor and while underway. MC² gyros features are the results of continuous research aimed at improving performance and guaranteeing maximum safety. At the center of the MC² technology is the revolutionary horizontal axis rotation system. The MC² gyroscopic flywheel rotates around a horizontal axis, unlike other models with a vertical axis rotation. The horizontal approach evenly distributes flywheel weight on two bearings as opposed to vertical axis flywheels that primarily work on the lower bearing. This one major design characteristic creates many advantages. Fast spool up. The MC² can reach 100% of RPM needed for stabilization in 10 minutes in the smaller units, and its stabilizing effects can be felt in about half that time. Low noise. At 70 decibels, MC² gyros are quiet enough to not disturb life on board. Easy to install. The boat doesn't have to be hauled to install through hulls for water cooling systems. Lower maintenance costs. Smaller footprint, air-cooled as opposed to water-cooled, and smart, compact design. The MC² range includes models that are both DC and AC powered. There are 6 different 12-volt DC powered units ranging in size from 2,000 Nm to 12,850 Nm. There are 11 different AC powered units ranging in size from 5,340 Nm to 75,000 Nm. What is a Newton meter, you may ask? A Newton meter is a measure of torque. More specifically, it is the amount of torque created by applying 1 Newton, or about 22 pounds, of force to a lever 1 meter long. Not dragging you through the math, the smallest MC² DC-powered unit has a torque output of 2,000 Newton meters, which is the equivalent of applying 450 pounds of force to an arm 3.3 feet long. Here's a demonstration of the power of the MC² X7 DC, which produces 7,000 Newton meters of torque. The MC² gyro stabilizers can be managed through the remote touch panel with 5-inch graphic display. The panel can be used to monitor the precision release, RPM, and width of the angle of inclination. They can also be controlled with the QNN Quick Nautical Network, a product compatible with all new generation chart plotters through the QNN Gateway, which is the device that transfers the Quick system data to the navigational panels using an HTML5 protocol. With the installation of multiple units, the MC² gyro can stabilize boats up to 250 tons. I hope you've enjoyed this review of Quick MC² gyro stabilizers. For Boat Test, I'm Captain Greg, reminding you life is better on a boat.